Hi. In this video we will show you how to connect and power two wire devices with NS-2 and NC-2. For this project, we'll need Akuvox C3-132, R29, NS-2, NC-2, and 48-volt power adapter. In this case, NC-2 is used with NS-2. It draws power and network connectivity from the indoor unit through the existing two-wire system and convert it into PoE for outdoor units such as R29. First, wire the C313W2 indoor monitor to any of the PLC 1 to 6 ports of NS-2. So does the NC-2 wiring. Next, locate the NC-2's PoE port, then connect NC-2 and R29 with an Ethernet cable to provide both power and network to the door phone. Then plug the power supply wires and an Ethernet cable into the NS-2. You can now energize the devices. The screens of both C3-132 and R29 illuminate and they can function well. Thank you for watching.